Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off notifications of other players in Fish It Roblox. So if you are tired of seeing every single fish other people catch popping up like this on your screen, and this video is for you. So I'll show you the hidden setting to toggle this off so you can focus on your own legendary catches. So first, you can just find the settings menu in the UI. You can click on the gear icon at the top, this one, and here you can just find the global notifications and also the server notification options in here. And if you want to turn off or stop the notification, you can just click on this green button in here until it turns red. So after that, the notifications of other players catching some fish will not be shown here. You just close this and that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.